Okay, now with the two balls. Squeeze in your hand. And now I have one ball in my hand. I'll tap into that one with slow motion. Open with slow motion in your hand. Okay. And last one. I know I'm more ball. It's half the four. It's different now. Okay, can I open your hand again? And now you squeeze it back in your hand. And move back your hand like this. And now can you think about something that you really like in the world, anything?
And I like in the world.
Yes, with your images.
Okay.
You get it?
Yeah.
And now I take your images and I make Korean in your hand. 1, 2. Open with slow motion.